Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyida Oshna Mansoor and I am 18 years old. Currently, I'm doing my bachelor's in food science technology from Ziauddin University. I am also doing diploma in patisserie and confectionery skills from Masterclass Pakistan, a famous culinary and pastry school in Karachi. I became an entrepreneur at the age of just 16 when I started my home based bakery business. I faced quite a handful of challenges when I first started my business because I had no prior experience to how things work in this specific business. Because I started my business from scratch. The major struggle or challenge that I had to face was related to the delivery of the cakes or the baked items. Talking about my baking journey, I have been doing baking. I have been doing experiments in the kitchen ever since I was 12 years old. And it was actually on 31st July 2021 when I started my baking business, when I launched my business on Instagram and Facebook. And during that time, I was also doing a short course which was completely related to cakes. So basically, the motivation behind starting my small business was during the corona times, everyone was struggling financially and everyone was saving up. So, and me and my siblings, we used to get pocket money from our parents on monthly basis, and during the corona times, we got like no pocket money. So I was like, I should start something. I should start selling something that I'm good at so I can earn money for myself. I can have my own pocket money. My advice would be just go for it. Start your small business. Um, don't think about what people will say about your goods or what you deliver. Um, you can you can never satisfy everyone. Not everyone will like your product, but if you have your family who supports your goals and ideas, who supports your business, who pushes you or motivates you towards your goals, you have your friends who motivates you, um, it's enough. And I would say there comes a time when people around you, your parents, your family, your relatives, your friends, they feel proud of what you do because of how immersed you are in your journey and how much you look forward to your goals and how much you are interested in what you do and how much you love what you do. Actually, I mean, it feels amazing to just know that your parents are proud in what you do. And it feels great to have something of your own, something you can get recognized by. And I remember it was actually during the corona times 2021. I actually sat down and had a talk with my mom. I was like, Meek, and I want to start something of my own. I want to start a home-based baking business. And she was like, okay, you can, but before you do start a business, I want you to get classes, or if you can do a short course from any institute so you can achieve that finishing skill when it comes to cakes or other bakery items. I invested around 15k or 20k when I started my business. So I went to a baking shop and I remember spending 5k on just getting the equipment and utensils. I did a short course which was majorly related to cakes, which costed around 10k. I spent, I think, 5 to 10k on getting ingredients, quality ingredients, and I also got a oven because I had a small one and I wanted to switch to a bigger one. So I think I got that for around 15k. I could not decide on the initial investment because I was not a business student. I was just going with the flow. Okay, I have this, and my parents helped me a lot. Um, the equipment that I bought for my business was I spent my pocket money on that, but the oven and the course that I was doing at that moment was completely sponsored by my parents. So yeah,